Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload high quality videos on your Facebook. So firstly, let me open my gallery, and as you can see, here is my footage. So if I go to details of this footage, as you can see, it is a 4K footage. Now if your footage is larger than 20 MB, decrease the size of the footage, or if your footage is 1080p or 720p, just simply make it to 4K. I'm going to quickly show you how you can do that. So as you can see, I have the footage over here. Now you have to get an application from Play Store whose name is VN Editor. So just simply download the application from Play Store and open it. After the application is opened, just simply hit the plus icon over here. Then click on New Project. Now choose your video. Then hit the blue icon at the bottom right. Now click at the blue icon at the top right corner. Now over here you can change the resolution. If you want 4K, you can do 4K. If you want 2K, you can also do that. You can also change the FPS if you want. Now down below, what you do is change the bitrate. So just simply make it anything but less than, make it, now over here just simply change the bitrate to anything but it should be less than 20 MB. So let's go with 20 MB. Then just simply hit the check mark and wait for the rendering to get complete. So after the rendering is complete, just simply click on save only. Now just simply go back to gallery and see your footage that you just rendered. As you can see, the second footage that just appeared. So just simply click on it and see the details. As you can see over here, it is exactly 20 MB. Now just simply close this panel, and the next thing that you have to do is open Facebook. Now in order for you to actually do this, what you have to do is open Facebook on your Google Chrome. Now after you have opened Facebook on your Google Chrome, what you have to do is just simply make a post and choose video. Now click on browse and choose the latest video that you just rendered. Now when the photo is uploaded, just simply click on the three dots at the top right and click desktop site. Now after you have uploaded the footage, just simply hit post. Now just simply wait for the posting to get completed. Now after a few minutes, the video should get uploaded, and within 40 to 30 minutes, you will be able to play this video in 4K. But in order for you to actually play this video in 4K, what you have to do is just simply convert your normal Facebook page into a desktop site. So for doing that, just simply click on the three dots at the top right and click on desktop site. Now after you are in your desktop site, you will be able to play the video in 4K within 30 to 40 minutes. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.